SK Live, your time, your news. Lockdown shall continue to remain to force till 31st May 2020. The following activities shall continue to remain prohibited throughout the country. Number 1. All domestic and international travel flights of passengers except of domestic medical services, domestic air ambulance and for security purpose or the purpose as permitted by MHA. Number 2. Metro rail services will be prohibited. Number 3. School, college, educational training coaching institute etc. will remain closed. Online distance learning shall continue to be permitted and shall be encouraged. Number 4. Hotels, restaurants and other hospitality services except those meant for housing, health, police, government officials, healthcare workers, trained persons including tourists and for quarantine facilities and the running of canteens at bus depots and railway stations and airports. Restaurants shall be permitted to operate kitchens for home delivery of food items. Number 5. All cinema halls, shopping malls, gymnasiums, swimming pools, entertainment parks, theatres, bars and auditoriums, assembly halls and similar places shall be closed. Sporting complexes, stadiums will be permitted to open, however spectators will be allowed. Number 6. All social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural, religious function, other gatherings and large congregations are prohibited. All religious places, places of worship shall be closed for public. Religious congregations are strictly prohibited. The following activities shall be permitted with restrictions except in the contaminated zones. Number 1. Interstate movement of passenger vehicles and buses with mutual consent of states involved. Number 2. Interstate movements of passengers, vehicles and buses as decided by states and UTs. Number 3. Standard operating procedures for movement of persons as mentioned in Annexure 1 shall continue to operate. Number 4. National Directives for COVID-19 Management. National Directives for COVID-19 Management as specified in Annexure 2 shall be followed throughout the country. Number 5. Contaminated buffer red, green and orange zone. The delineation of red, green and orange zones will be decided by the respective states and UT governments after taking in consideration of the parameters shared by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India. Number 2. Within the red and orange zone, contaminated zones and buffer zones will be demarcated by the district authorities after taking in consideration of the guidelines of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India. Number 3. In the contaminated zones, only essential services shall be allowed. There shall be strict permitted control to ensure there is no movement of people in or out of these zones, except for the medical emergencies and for maintaining supply of essential goods and services. Guidelines of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India shall be taken into consideration for the above purpose. Number 4. In the contaminated zones, there shall be intensive contact tracking, house-to-house surveillance and other clinical interventions as required. Number 6. Night curfew. The movement of individuals shall remain strictly prohibited between 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Except for essential services, local authorities shall be issuing an order in the entire area of jurisdiction under appropriate provision of law, such as prohibited orders under Section 144 of CRPC and ensure strict compliance. Number 7. Protection of vulnerable persons. Persons above 65 years of age, person with comorbidities, pregnant women and children below the age of 10 years shall stay at home, except for essential and health purposes. Number 8. All other activities will be permitted except those which are specifically prohibited. However, in contaminated zones, Only essential services shall be allowed as mentioned in para 5 above. Further states UTs, based on the assessments of situation, may prohibit certain other activities in various zones or impose such restrictions as deemed necessary. These were the guidelines which we need to follow in Lockdown 4.0. For more updates, keep watching SK Live.